Japan is facing a labor shortage due to its declining birth rate and aging population, so developments in IT systems and AI technology are making it possible to automate or support workers in many sectors. But there's not enough support for essential workers involved in physical work. It's necessary to develop technologies to automate or support this kind of work in the field. NTT believes that a machine that can think and act like a human can contribute to automating or supporting the fieldwork of essential workers. For a machine to act like a human, it must have a deep understanding of human actions and be able to assess the situation, envision the action to be taken, and actually act accordingly. NTT is aiming to develop technologies for each of these functionalities and link them together to realize a machine that can think and act like a human. We are working on 3 technologies: action comprehension technology that enables the machine to understand human action patterns, action generation technology that simulates possible actions, and action selection technology that selects an action supportive of human workers and makes the machine perform the most appropriate action. Let me introduce each technology using the example of a maintenance worker inspecting a utility pole. The machine, which has learned the diverse action patterns of workers in various situations, uses its knowledge to understand the actions of the worker in front of it. Action comprehension technology allows the machine to understand human actions. The worker is about to climb a ladder. At this point, the machine assesses the situation and simulates a range of possible actions. Should I just stand by and look on? Should I hold the ladder as the worker climbs it? Should I go and monitor traffic on the road? Should I caution the worker that it is not a safe procedure unless someone holds the ladder? In this way, action generation technology simulates the machine's next possible actions. From these simulations, the machine decides that the option of holding the ladder is the most appropriate and acts accordingly. In this way, action selection technology selects an action and makes the machine act accordingly. Here are some details of the R&D NTT is undertaking on the technologies we have just looked at. NTT has developed technology to recognize and understand various human actions from a video. By correctly capturing not only the movements of the person in the video, but also the changes in the state of objects related to his or her action, this technology can recognize human actions accurately, even when training data is limited, or when it faces a situation for which it has never been trained. Looking forward, we will utilize a large language model to enable the technology to more deeply understand human actions. The action generation technology we are working on integrates human attributes, environmental information, and action history, and simulates action patterns using a large language model. We aim to reproduce human body movements in a virtual space. In our next step, in addition to the action comprehension and action generation technologies, we will develop an action selection technology that allows the machine to select an action appropriate to the situation and act accordingly in a self-guided manner based on knowledge gained from the large language model. Our goal is a society in which people and machines can coexist in harmony. NTT will create unprecedented scenes where machines act in coordination with humans in the real world. Through this effort, we intend to expand the possibilities of a diverse range of people and promote their greater participation in society.